Eating almonds every day can have various positive effects on your body due to their nutritional content. Here are some of the key things that happen in your body when you consume almonds regularly. Nutrient intake. Almonds are a good source of essential nutrients such as vitamin E, magnesium, fiber, and healthy fats. When you eat them daily, you provide your body with these nutrients, which can support overall health. Heart health. Almonds are rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which can help reduce bad cholesterol levels. This can lower the risk of heart disease and improve cardiovascular health. Weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, almonds can aid in weight management. Their combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing overall calorie intake. Blood sugar control. Almonds have a low glycemic index, which means they can help stabilize blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes. Bone health. Almonds are a good source of magnesium and phosphorus, which are essential for strong and healthy bones. Consuming them regularly can contribute to bone health and density. Skin health. The vitamin E in almonds is an antioxidant that can help protect your skin from oxidative stress and damage, promoting a healthier complexion. Digestive health. Almonds are a good source of dietary fiber, which can aid in digestion and help prevent constipation. Brain function. Some research suggests that the vitamin E in almonds may help support cognitive function, and the healthy fats can benefit brain health. Reduced hunger. The combination of protein and fiber in almonds can help reduce feelings of hunger and prevent overeating, which can be beneficial for weight management. Nutrient absorption. Almonds contain healthy fats that can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K from other foods you eat. Antioxidant protection. Almonds are rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, which can help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer. Improved nutrient absorption. The healthy fats in almonds can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients, such as vitamins A, D, E, and K, from other foods in your diet. Energy boost. Almonds provide a quick and sustained source of energy due to their healthy fats, protein, and fiber content. This can help maintain your energy levels throughout the day. Better skin and hair. The vitamin E in almonds contributes to healthier skin and hair, and the monounsaturated fats can promote a natural glow to your skin. Reduced risk of gallstones. Some studies suggest that regular almond consumption may reduce the risk of developing gallstones, particularly in women. Regulation of blood pressure. The magnesium in almonds may help regulate blood pressure and contribute to cardiovascular health. Anti-inflammatory effects. Almonds contain anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to a range of chronic diseases. Nutrient density. Almonds are a nutrient-dense food, which means they provide a wide range of essential nutrients in a relatively small portion. This can be particularly valuable for those with dietary restrictions or specific nutritional needs.